Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to make plasma in a Auracraft game. First of all, we need to start with water, and also we need to get dust. So if you don't have dust, you can make dust by earth and wind and combine water and dust together to make energy. Now once we have energy, guys, we need to make now a spirit. Use dust and fire to make a spirit. Now once we have a spirit, now we need to make a storm. Combine water with this spirit to make a storm. Now once we have a storm, combine energy and storm together to make a lightning. And once we have lightning, so now our target is plasma. So combine two lightning together. So you can search for it if you can't see in the recent blocks. So you can search it and just combine two lightning together. You will get plasma here. So that's how you can make plasma. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.